So hi friends, welcome to my channel AB Online Classes. So friends, today's topic is dipole moment. Dipole moment. Wait. Dipole moment. So if anybody have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Let us start our class. So dipole moment is represented by mu. Mu. So what is the dipole moment? There is a polar molecule. Polar molecule means different atoms. Means not homo means same. Means non-polar. We have homoatomic molecules. So different atoms means it we consider as polar molecule. So polar molecule has some polarity. Yeah. So this polarity will be measured or calculated by using the dipole moment. So that's polarity will say that this dipole moment. Okay, dipole moment is equal to Q into D. Q into D, where Q is equals to magnitude of charge. Means if there is an any atom, there will be negative charge and positive charge on the upper side of that atom. So that magnitude of charge or of cation or anion, where D is equals to distance between two poles. Means there is a positive and negative, so there will be distance between the two poles. Means I am wearing the diagram here. Okay, right. Switch, and it is the fluorine. So there will be there will be distance here in middle of this. So that is called distance between two poles. And there is a negative charge on the fluorine and positive charge on the hydrogen. So it is a non-metal. It is also non-metal. So because these are polar molecules. So we are finding the dipole moment between the H and F. So what are the units of dipole moment? Units means d by. Dipole moment is measured by d by capital letter D, and 1 d by is equals to 3.33 into 10 power minus 30 centimeter. Sorry, not centimeter, coulomb meter. Or let it be before you understand. Coulomb meter. Okay, coulomb meter. 1 d/by is represented 1 coulomb meter, and 1 d/by is equals to 10 power minus 18 ESU. Electro standard units, centimeter. So there is also sometimes we use, but main purpose is upper one, and it is represented by who has been represent that one. So like this, 1 plus and the other side arrow. So this plus side represents the less electronegativity atom, and central atom. central atom. So by showing this plus before plus symbol, wait, I'll do it. Okay, before that one I draw it with the dots, just they can understand this one. And but arrow side, what is the arrow side of that one? Arrow side means more electronegativity. More electronegativity atom. The arrow shows the more electronegative atom and plus shows the less electronegative atom, and sometimes lone pair atom also. Lone pair atom. Crossed arrow mark represented by crossed arrow mark. Crossed arrow mark. Okay. Then next, what is the quantity? It's a vector quantity or a scalar quantity. Means it shows some magnitude. Means up to there and up to here, and some direction also showing by the representation diagram only we understand. So it is a vector quantity. It is vector quantity. Both magnitude and direction. So up to where you completed the dipole moment. So what dipole moment applications? You will ask in IP also, dipole moment applications. Dipole moment applications. Okay. Now we'll say the what is the use of the dipole moment? It predicts the polarity of molecule. The polarity of molecule. Means if mu is equals to 0, for example mu is equals to 0, it's non-polar molecule. Non-polar molecule. So before well we can say that it's a non-polar molecule. And if non-polar molecule means it's a symmetrical molecule. Symmetrical molecule means there is no lone pair in the molecule. Means exact like a symmetrical. Means general hybridization you will see in that term. Non-symmetrical means like general shape, means tetrahedral, trigonal, planar. These are the normal shapes. But if the molecule has lone pairs, they form bend. The atoms will be bent. So bond pairs will be bent and the shape will be changed. Shape will be changed means this is going to unsymmetrical. Means shape symmetry means changed, so they are non-symmetrical. So if mu is equals to 0, these are symmetrical, means there will be a correct shape and it's a non-polar molecule. Means lone pair is equals to 0 and mu is equals to 0. Okay. If mu is not equal to 0, it's a polar molecule. It's a polar molecule. Polar molecule. Unsymmetrical. Unsymmetrical molecule. Means there will be lone pair present in that one. Lone pair means there will be bent structure and the shape will be different, like pyramidal, T shape. Means because of the lone pair, the shape of the molecule will be different and the hybridization same, but shape molecule different. So the unsymmetrical when mu is equal to 0. So second application, it predicts the shape. predicts the shape of the molecule, dipole moment. Shape of the molecule. Now volume said the molecule, how the prediction shape of the molecule. By the mu value is equal to 0 or mu not equal to 0, we can differentiate the which is symmetrical, non-symmetrical. So it predicts the shape. Directly we can write, already said before point only, and it will know the percentage of ionic character. Percentage of ionic character is equal to mu observed by mu calculated into 100. So most of the questions they will give mu observed. Mu observed, they're already given in the question. Okay, it's given in question. And you calculator should find out correctly. Means calculated, they will not give, or ionic character they will give. Then find out the ionic character you observe, means you should calculate the calculated value by using their charges and distance. Mu calculator, mu observed, they will give by the ratio into 100. You can find out the percentage of ionic character present in that molecule. Okay. Now, diatomic molecule. Then up to now, this dipole moment has been completed. Till now, next is diatomic molecule. Diatomic molecule. Diatomic molecule. 1 minute. Diatomic molecule. Diatomic molecule. What is the diatomic molecule? Means any two atoms means two atom molecules are diatomic molecule. You already know. There are two types of diatomic molecule. One is homo diatomic molecule and hetero diatomic molecule. Homo diatomic molecules means H2, N2, O2, means same molecule, same atoms, F2, Cl2, Br2, I2, etc. There mu value is equal to 0. Always homo atom molecule has mu is equal to 0. Mu is equal to 0. Where heteroatomic molecule has different atoms, means HF, HCl, HBr, and HI. Not equal to 0. So there will be mu not equal to 0 means they are unsymmetrical. So mu is directly proportional to change in electronegativity here in heteroatom molecule. So these are the two types of diatomic molecule. Now I will write some points to understand the before points we had in. Lone pair is equal to 0 means the dipole moment is equal to 0. So these are the non-polars. Non-polar means symmetrical. We have already seen in the before point. This one. Symmetrical means BCl2, BCl3, CH4. These are don't have any lone pairs. You can write it directly. IF7. Okay. planar structure also, like benzene, benzene, naphthalene, and diphenol. These are also mu is equal to 0. Don't worry. These are the planar structures. These are planar structures. Okay, and then next, if you see, CCl, for example, CCl4. For example, CCl4. Here C2Cl bond is polar. Bond is polar. But CCl4 is non-polar. See here is non-polar. Why? Because there will be some dipole moment differentiations there will be. In BeCl2. BeCl2 means Cl, BeCl. There will be a high alternativity this side. And plus this one, this alternative. So mu1, mu2. Here minus, here plus. So mu r is equals to mu1 minus mu2. So same values, these both are same values, cancel 0. So alternativity of B is greater than Cl. So like this you can calculate the dipole moment. But before dipole moment, you should know the central atom and high electronegativity atom. So here alternativity of B is less than the Cl. So there will be dipole 0. But in CCl4 it is a non-polar because of that symmetry. But C and Cl are polar, but they the structure from the non-polar. Okay. So CO2. If you say CO2, O double bond C double bond O. Here, if you see here, see high electronegativity atom is oxygen here. High electronegativity atom is oxygen. So electronegativity atom of C is less than that of O. But mu of NH3 is greater than mu of NF3. Sir, how is it possible? These are high alternative atom, fluorine is there. So that is the only problem with that. They will ask the question in the IP exam. This question. Anyways, I'm drawing the diagram. N, it will have one lone pair like this, and there will be H like this, H and H. Okay. And for this, I'm drawing the diagram N. Here also some lone pair. F, F, F. Means here mu value will be maximum. How mu value will be maximum, sir? How mu value will be maximum? You see here, the electronegative element is here nitrogen. Hydrogen here means, so I'll decrease the size so you can understand. So high alternative atom is nitrogen, and high alternative is nitrogen. The lone pair is high alternative, but before that one, three directions are same. Means three directions are opposite. Three directions same direction. So same direction. Same direction means addition. So if you add mu is equal to mu1 plus mu2 plus mu3, if you add all the directions, you have highest value. Means mu is equal to maximum. If you see here, from the central atom, the direction is this on the side of fluorine. Sorry. The fluorine, but it is in the opposite direction of upside. If you see here, opposite direction means high alternativity is more for fluorine, but here opposite direction is there from central atom. Opposite direction is there for central atom. So less means subtraction. You should do the subtraction. Okay, then mu value is equals to minimum. Means from central atom you will do minus here, and from the central atom you will add addition there. So by this way the NH3 has more dipole moment than nitrogen, where here nitrogen has less alternative than fluorine, where here nitrogen has more alternative than hydrogen. It is the main thing you should not forget before the question is come in IP or NEET or MSET or anything. Okay. If you see here, BF3. See here BF3. BF3 also mu is equal to 0 because it is symmetrical. Lone pairs, because lone pairs is equal to 0. In the diagram, boron, here fluorine. If you see here less alternativity, before that one, if you see here same direction, cancel. So three directions, boron has less alternative than fluorine, so the direction will be opposite here. So total mu is equal to 0. So I will ask on some example. CH4 is there. If you minus H and add HCl, Cl, add Cl, CH3Cl, and the hydrogen removing and adding Cl, CH2Cl2. I'm adding another hydrogen, removing another hydrogen and adding chlorine means CHCl3. I'm removing another hydrogen and adding chlorine, CCl4. Here if you see the mu order, what is the mu order here? Mu order CCl4 is less than CHCl3 is less than CH2Cl2 then CH3Cl. Sir, how you are calculating that one? Yeah, there will be more electronegativity atom, then that will be have less dipole moment attractions. So oppositely charged means there will be less, and there will be 3 chlorines and 1 hydrogen means central atom only single one and the 3 chlorines oppositely means that is also negative, but CCl4 is CHCl3 is better than CCl4, and CH2Cl2 means 2 hydrogens are giving arrow to the carbon, and chlorine 2 chlorines are in opposite direction, and CH3Cl means they three are hydrogens are in the same direction, only one chlorine is in opposite direction. You can always not consider. Okay, by the directions only you can consider the dipole moment. So dipole moment, so another relation is dipole moment is inversely proportional to bond angle. So this is one relation between the example, if you see here, I'm taking the benzene in other position and benzene with meta position and benzene with para position. If you see here, bond angle is equal to 60 degrees and bond angle is equals to 120 degrees. Bond angle is equals to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees. So here if you see inversely proportional, bond angle decreases. Bond angle more means alternativity is less. Less alternativity, more. Less bond angle means more alternativity, more dipole moment. Okay. Here there in degrees mu is equal to 0 to here. So by this way we can calculate the dipole moments. Up to here I will close the session for this one. Here I am revising the today's class. Here starting we have started the what is dipole moment. And it explains the polarity of the molecule, means what is the shape, what is the its polarity, means mu is equal to 0 means symmetry or non-symmetry, means polar or non-polar. It will tell the which is one polar, which is non-polar. For that we will some measurement, this is called as some measurement, means dipole moment mu. So for that mu we should know the dipole moment formula. Mu is equal to charge, means magnitude of charges into distance between the two poles, q into d is represented by d by 1 d by is equal to 3.33 into 10 power minus 30 coulomb per meter, and is represented by plus and other side arrow, cross arrow mark. Plus represents the less alternative atom and the arrow represents the more alternative atom, which is if the lone pair also more alternative atom only. Atom said arrow means arrow can show the lone pair means for that lone pair also you should show the arrow. Okay, and it is a vector only because it has some direction and some magnitude also. And then mu applications means dipole moment applications is equals to polarity itself. The polarity already since I start. If mu is equal to 0, it's non-polar and symmetry. If mu is not equal to 0, it's a polar molecule and unsymmetrical. There will be shape like the lone pair is present and it will be size adjustments, but symmetrical means fixed shape. No lone pairs. Predict the shape of the molecule and its tell the ionic percentage of character. In question, they will give the mu observed value. They will give the mu observed value in the question, and you should calculate the mu calculated by using the dipole moment formula. Charges into distance 100, and then you can say that you can calculate the ionic character, how much percentage is present in that molecule. The diatomic molecule means homo. Homo means same atoms. Hetero means different atom. Homo means mu is equal to 0 means symmetrical. Hetero means mu is not equal to 0, so it's unsymmetrical. It depends upon the electronegativity. Change in electronegativity, it depends on the mainly on change in electronegativity. Lone pair is equal to 0, mu is equal to 0, then non-polar symmetrical. Example BCl to BCl, CH4, PCl5. These are the general hybridization examples. Benzene, naphthalene, diazepam also planar structures. The other structure planar structures. CCl4. Here CCl bond is polar. Generally C carbon and chlorine bond is polar, but CCl4 is non-polar because I already said to you non-polar. Why it is non-polar? The chlorine has more electronegativity, so four sides are opposite direction. Opposite direction means all sides. All sides means subtraction. The mu is equal to becomes 0. Okay. Here BeCl2 also same situation. Chlorine has more alternativity, so mu value becomes 0. So here CO2 and NH3 and F3 is the most important. Here fluorine with respect to central atom, if the other atoms, bonded atoms have high electronegativity means the electronegativity means bond dipole moment becomes minimum or 0. If central atom has more electronegativity, then the dipole moment becomes maximum. Okay, maximum means not maximum, minimum. When compared to NF3, NH3 has maximum than that of NF3. In NF3, fluorine has high alternativity means and lone pair and all sides of subtraction, mu becomes minimum value. BF3 are the same situation. Fluorine has high alternativity, and if you see here the CCl4, CHCl3, CH2, Cl2, CH3, Cl. Here the chlorines. More chlorines are there, more alternativity, less minimum the dipole moment. Less alternative means CH3Cl has only single chlorine. So less electronegativity means they are also low alternative, but when compared to CCl4, these are the only one chlorine. So one directional is in opposite, but other direction are the positive direction. So more dipole moment. So dipole moment is inversely proportional to bond angle also. If you see here, the three directions with opposite charges. So thank you, students. Thank you, and subscribe to my channel. And click on bell icon for more videos. I'll upload it daily. Please subscribe channel. I'm requesting you to do one subscribe for me. It is more helpful for me. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.